Most people get stuck trying to cancel subscriptions because they assume it's a quick button inside the app. But here's the truth no one tells you. With apps like Albert, the cancellation depends on how you signed up in the first place, and that's where most users go wrong. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to cancel your Albert app subscription in 2026, step by step. You'll also learn what to do if you can't find the cancel option, how to avoid being charged again, and how to make sure your account is fully downgraded so you don't lose money unnecessarily. Let's start with the fastest way to cancel inside the app. First, open the Albert app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the correct account. This sounds obvious, but many people, like Jake who used a second email or Apple login, end up confused because they're in the wrong profile. Once you're inside, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner. Now look for a section called Settings or Membership. This is where Albert stores subscription controls. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all users see the same menu because the app interface can change depending on updates or account type. If you see a Manage Membership option, tap it. You should see your current plan details and a cancellation option. Follow the prompts to cancel. The app may ask why you're leaving. You can select any option and continue. Once confirmed, you should receive a cancellation message. Now here's the problem. Many users think they are done at this point, but they still get charged. That happens because they subscribe through Apple App Store or Google Play, instead of directly through Albert. So let's fix that. If you subscribe through iPhone, open your Settings app, tap your Apple ID at the top, then go to Subscriptions. Find Albert in the list. Tap it and choose Cancel Subscription. This is the only way Apple billing can be stopped. If you are on Android, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Subscriptions. Find Albert and cancel it from there. Now, here's where it gets important. Even after cancellation, your account may stay active until the billing period ends. So don't panic if you still see premium features for a few days. That's normal. Let's talk about a common mistake. People uninstall the app thinking it cancels the subscription. It does not. Uninstalling only removes the app from your phone. It does not stop billing. Another issue is forgotten free trials. If you signed up for a trial through someone like Alex referral link or a promotional offer, you must cancel at least 24 hours before the trial ends, or you may still get charged. If you cannot find your subscription anywhere, contact Albert support directly through the app or official website and request cancellation. Make sure you include your email and account details so they can locate your profile quickly. To confirm everything worked, check your email. You should receive a cancellation confirmation message. If you don't, go back and double-check your App Store or Google Play subscriptions. So here are the key takeaways. Always cancel through the same platform you used to sign up. Never rely on uninstalling the app. And always confirm through email or subscription settings that the cancellation went through. If this helped you avoid an unwanted charge, like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step app guides like this.